we are here with Professor Vassilios Fanos at 19th workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics, and the title of this year is From Womb to Aging, from Medical History to Artificial Intelligence. Professor, why this title?
Thank you for your question. We believe that the concept of perinatal programming or developmental origins of health and disease is a very important concept in medicine today. So what's happened in the first 5,000 days of life is important not only for the life, the good life, the good health of the fetus, the newborn, the child, but also for the good health or bad health of the adult, and also for it's important for aging. So there is a strict connection in the first hits of what's happened in prenatal life and neonatal life and the life later. So this is very important because we need to make prevention for the disease, especially of the so-called non-communicable disease that are a real pandemic today.
Professor, this year a network of scientific and human relations has been created, and this network has improved and enriched all the participants. Is this one of the most important aspects of the workshop?
Yes, it is. Thank you for this question, because during these 19 years we had the possibility to guest here in Cagliari the best of neonatologists and pediatricians worldwide. We had more than 180 now foreign speakers from all the world, more than 62 countries, and this links has created a real network of human and scientific relationships that has permitted to us to grow greatly in assistance, in research, and also in the organization on events like this with a lot of participants and with a lot of sessions. One of the sessions is dedicated to artificial intelligence, which is very important because the biology, the complexity of the human organism is so high that probably it is not possible to understand it only with human intelligence, and so we need to have also close artificial intelligence. So 1 + 1 makes 9, and we will have the possibility in the next future to make earlier diagnosis and to perform individualized and tailor-made therapies, and also in preventive approach to all the problems that affects the child, but not only the child, also later in life.
Talking about organization aspect, will the proceedings of the workshop be published and made available for the participants?
Yes, this is something we are very proud of, because all the proceedings are available during these days free of charge on the web in the Journal of Pediatric and Neonatal Individualized Medicine, a journal that I founded 12 years ago. You don't pay for reading, you don't pay for publishing, it's an utopia, but I just mentioned this morning that in the first weekend of February we realized our top record because we had 36,000 downloads in one weekend. So it is read all over the world, and for us it's a great honor, a great responsibility too.
Definitely. And last but not least, this is the second time that a special satellite meeting will take place in this workshop. The title is Pediatrics, Social Media and Dr. Google. What is it?
This is the second year we are performing this experiment. Now it is not an experiment anymore. So the idea was to connect parents and stakeholders directly with the Congress, and so to transmit immediately at the end of the Congress the most important results of the research in the last year, And so we are connected with social networks, with the parents who can ask to the researcher, to scientific influencers, so very prepared people who are also influencers, and to have serious information in the right way and not on the web alone, because you don't know who is behind a news or a fake news.
Definitely.
I just remember a sentence of the poet Thomas Vassilios who wrote, where we have put our wisdom, we change it with the connaissance. Where we put our connaissance, we change it with information. And if he were alive today, he would have written, where we put our information, we change it with fake news. So this is, we don't want fake news, only scientific research performed by good researchers for good reason, for good goals for the health of our children.
Thank you very much indeed.
Okay, thank you to you.